Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In a world that feels divided, great leaders could bring us together by showing empathy, guiding us with a clear goal, encouraging confidence, and much more. My name is Alvy Ilmira Bayu, and today I want to share a meaningful experience I had a few months ago. A few months ago, my school was planning a charity event for books, which would donate to schools in need. My grade was assigned to host a food sale, a workshop, and a book fair. I was lucky to be a part of the book fair team, so we could start early. My teammates and I made a poster about one of our class's favorite books, Mata. A few days before the event, everybody was very busy with preparations. My team and I still had to prepare the decorations for the book fair, the script for the book fair, and much more. At the end of the day, we had to practice before the event, and that's when we realized the poster was missing. We searched everywhere, the cupboards, the neighboring class, behind the blackboard, the lockers, and even we searched in the medical room, but there was nothing. That's when one of the leaders of the event stepped up to help. Her action inspired others to help searching for the poster too. And in the end of the day, we eventually found the poster. Her action inspired me that a great leader doesn't just follow, but they take action. They guide people with a clear goal and support others who are struggling. That was one of many great examples of leadership that I had experienced in my life. It all starts with a good heart. That's when we realize to empathize, understand others, and adapt to the world around us. One of many great examples is Marie Curie. Marie Curie had a very deep understanding in radioactivity that led to the discovery of polonium and radium. She is also a very powerful role model for women pursuing careers in STEM. It is never too late to become a great leader, but before leading others, you must lead ourselves into building good habits and building a brighter future. Thank you. See you later.